Hi everyone, and welcome to QBranch's video on programming your FRC robot using LABView. This is Burdett, and in this video I will be walking you through how to modify your code for buttons or axes which control your motors. We'll be picking up where we left off in video number 2, so if you don't recognize the code, go back and watch those other 2 videos first. So let's suppose you have a motor activated by a button, but you cap the power at 50%, and sometimes you'd like to go all 100. Here's how. You already have the true-false gate set up with if the button is pressed, the motor receives 50% power. What we now have to do is add another button with another true-false gate to multiply our power by a factor of 2. So go ahead and click and drag the button array to get another outlet for the buttons. Let's call the first button 0 and the second 1. With button 0 already wired, we are going to do something very similar to button 1. Set up a true-false gate with the question mark wired to the output of button 1. For true, we're going to create a constant with a value of 2 for double. For false, we will create a constant with a value of 1. And then to combine the 2 button inputs, we will first need to delete the wire going from button 0's true-false gate to the set input icon. Now we are going to add in a multiply gate to combine these 2 true-false gates. So, wire each output of the true-false gates into the left side of the multiply gate. Then wire the right side to the set input icon. By the logic, if you press button 0, you will get the 50% power like we did before. But if button 1 is pressed, the value from button 0 is now doubled. And then if button 1 is not pressed, then the value from button 0 is just multiplied by 1, which will make it remain the same as it was before. This same logic can be used with axes, so if you have something like a low speed, high speed functionality to your controls, you can do that. Note that on Xbox controllers, the joysticks that are used as axes also have a button when you press them, so they can be an axis and then a button if you want to do something like this. The same logic can also be used for solenoids, as seen here. And then, also if you want a motor to turn on or off, if a limit switch is triggered, then you can wire a limit switch to a true-false gate as if it were a button being pressed. That example is also shown here. Alright, good luck with all your buttons and axes, and thanks for watching.